Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for yarn. In this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful crochet flower coaster. We start with a magic ring. We're doing it like this. Then we are making 2 chains. Then we make a 12 double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. If you don't know how to make double crochet, in my channel I have a great video that you can learn double crochet very easily. Tie the yarn like this. Now we make a slip knot. We start from this stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through like this. We start with 2 chains and then we're making 2 double crochet in the same stitch. After 2 double crochet, we're making a chain. In next stitch, we're making 2 double crochet, and after 2 double crochet, we're making a chain. We repeat this pattern, 2 double crochet in the same stitch and chain 1 for 12 times. In the end of this row, we make a slip knot. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through like this. Chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, in the next stitch we're making again 2 double crochet, and after 2 double crochet we're making a chain. We skip 1 chain and start from next chain. In next stitch we're making 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch we're making 2 double crochet, and after 2 double crochet we're making a chain, and again we skip a stitch and start from next stitch. We repeat this pattern for 12 times. Like previous row, we close it with a slip knot. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and in the next stitch we're making a double crochet, and in the next stitch we're making a double crochet, and in the next stitch we're making 2 double crochet, and after 2 double crochet we're making a chain, and skip one chain, and we'll start from next chain, one double crochet in this stitch, and in the next stitch we're making a double crochet, and in the next stitch we're making 2 double crochet, and after 2 double crochet we're making a chain and skip one chain and start from next chain. We repeat this pattern for 12 times. Chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In 3 next stitch we're making a double crochet. In the next stitch we're making 2 double crochet, and after 2 double crochet we're making a chain. We skip one stitch and start from next stitch. Again, double crochets. In the next stitch we're making 2 double crochet, and after 2 double crochet we're making a chain and skip one stitch and start from next stitch. We repeat this pattern for 12 times. Next, grab your green yarn. We start from this stitch. Insert your hook, chain 1, one single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through 2, chain 5, skip 2 stitch, start from this stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, one single crochet, and again 5 chains, skip 2 stitch, start from this stitch, one single crochet, chain 5, skip 2 stitch, start from this stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this pattern for 12 times. We close it with a slip knot. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Chain 1, one single crochet, and chain 3, one double crochet, and chain 1. Repeat for 4 times. Again, one double crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet. One single crochet, chain 7, insert your hook in chain 5, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3, and 1 single crochet. We repeat this pattern for 12 times. Then we close it with a slip knot. From this stitch, yarn over, pull through, pull through. Next, I'll show you how to make a flower. You start from here, insert your hook, chain 2, 6 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over, pull through, and chain 1. We repeat this pattern 6 half double crochet and chain 1 for 6 times. Pull through and chain 1. Turn your work, and we're making a slip knot with first stitch. Insert your hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 3, 1 double crochet here, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3, insert your hook here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2. 1 double crochet here, chain 3, insert your hook here, yarn over, pull through 2, again a double crochet here, chain 3, insert your hook here, yarn over, yarn over and pull through 2, 1 double crochet here, chain 3, insert your hook here, yarn over, pull through 2. We repeat this pattern. We make a slip knot, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and chain 1, cut your yarn with a scissor, and tie the yarn like this. You can hide the yarn like this. I do it with my hook. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.